Get into a car with value. 2020 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Wrangler delivers iconic style, future-focused technology, all-terrain capability, rugged power, and the ability to make your adventures truly your own. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, four-wheel drive, backup camera, fog lamps, heated mirrors, satellite radio, remote engine start, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection. On the road or the trail, be who you are in the Wrangler. Test drive it today.